Hello everyone, good morning. So it means refreshing by early morning from this AM here because wake up in the morning, so it means early in the morning. So we're here from this one in this analyzing FIDE World Cup 2025. So today is the final battle from these games here. So it means top two remaining here. So I will skip from this one by finals by game 4 because the game number 1 to 3, so it means tie all. So the score from these finals from game 1, 2, and 3, so it means tie all 1.5, 1.5. So it means if you win by game 4, will win by crowd by this championship by FIDE World Cup 2025. So if you lost, so it means win by silver medals. So it means today is from this final battle. So how many clocks within 15 minutes plus 10 seconds without rapid chess here. And also have a between from this Grandmaster in China, Wei Yi. So versus by Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Jafuskir Sindaro. So it means, so let's see of this one by history by Grandmaster Jafuskir Sindaro. So it means so personal information by Jafuskir Sindaro. So he was born on December 8, 2005 at the age of 19 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. So it means so in October 2017 awarded by title by International Master. So he was achieved by first this one by Grandmaster by Norms in Alakshina Memorials in June 2018. By October 2018, scoring by third by GM Norms by first Saturday tournaments. So he was become as a second youngest grandmaster in this history from time, within awarded by FIDE March 2019. So he was qualified by this one by rank of 121st by Chess World Cup 2021. So he was by major upset by 8th rank by Alaresa Firuzshat. So tie breaks round by made by final 32 within knockout by Kashpir. So it means so ranking by number 22 by December 2025. So he was a grandmaster from this one by Uzbekistan here. So it means so today's finals here in this part of this video, we have analyzed of this one by game 4 from FIDE World Cup 2025. So white plays Wei Yi is e4. E5 Sindaro, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6, d3, oh, bishop e7. So it means so why don't we use by move by bishop to c4? I mean c5, sorry. So bishop c5, sorry. So bishop c5 is called by Yokopiano by hearing by musical here. So it means bishop to c5. I'm sorry, I got wrong my notes by bishop to c4. So it means correct move bishop c5. So I'm sorry I got wrong notes because my brain is too confused by my memories here. So bishop c5 here is a Yokopiano without moving by bishop e7 by Sindaro without Italian games. It is called by this one by two knights modern bishops opening without upcoming by castling kingside by Sindaro here. Wei decided castling kingside by Sindaro, knight c3, and also pawn d6 without movement here, or without upcoming by this one by bishop to g4 without knights attacks or queens here without controls here, and also pawn a4 without strong move here, without pawn a4 here, without idea by next by black pieces, without move here by knight to a5 without attacks the bishop, because these are the movement this one by this pawn a4 to next by stop here by knight a5 to move by controls by without a5 pawns here without continuations here, and also bishop g4 pins the knights or queens without attacks without upcoming this one by knights attacks by bishop g4 by Sindaro here, and also pawn h3 by Wei without attacks, so eating the knights or backwards. So it means bishop captured, so it means these are a novelty by Sindarov. So it means without old main lines here, normal is bishop backwards, h5 is a old main lines by database here. So it means, so bishop captured novelty by Sindarov because the out of this book line here. Queen captured by Wei, and also knight d4 without threats the queens here, without threats the queens or without attacks the pawns, without disturbs the rooks here, and also without queen d1, without defense develop the pawns here, because these are the moving the pawns, so it means without idea to move controls by this one by determinations here, and also pawn c6. What the plans by Sindarov? Or maybe next by this one by pawn b5 without attacks the bishop and pawns, without doubles attacks here. And also decided bishop a2 without no more by this one. So no more by pawn to b5 without need more backwards here. Without idea here. So without move side, without attacks this one the bishop or need more backwards here. And also knight e6 without go backs by Sindarov here. Rook e1 by Wei, and also queen c7. Bishop a3 without controls by disturbance by solid move without pressures. And also pawn b6. So without pawn b6 by this one by Sindarov, or maybe counters here. So next move by this one by d5 without continuations, or without pawn b5 captured. So it means these are the captured or captured this one. So next, these are the next controls by Maniniverse, next pawns by this one by targets, attacks by threats. Queen f3 by Wei, and also rook a d8 by this one by Sindarov here. And also pawn h4 with a strong move by Wei, without controls by, without pawns here, or without strong move here. Or next by this one by g4 without strong move by white pieces. And also queen d7 by Sindarov, and also queen h3 without determinations by this one by continuations, and also rook fe8 by Sindarov, bishop captured without threats the queens, takes. So these are the damage by ugliness pawn structure by Sindarov without doubles by pawns here, and also knight e2 without continuations here, or maybe determinations, or maybe without idea. Next move by this one without pawn to f4 without destroy here, without attacks the pawns, without continuations if you capture this one, or bishop captured. So these are the without threats the counters, attacks the determinations by these threats here. And also d5 without next by f4 without f4 if you pawns, so without threats the pawns, so without attacks if you captured. So it means without captured here, or next by move by this one rook to ad1 without threats the queen. So these are the pins by this one by rook d files here without controls here. And also knight g8. So for example, so do not captured by pawns. If you capture this pawn, captured, so these are the continuations. Or without queen to queen without opening by queen to queen here. So it means if you queen captured, and also rook captured without battery here. So these are the examples here by continuations. So these are the slightly examples. So back there is knight g3 by Wei without controls here, and also rook f8 by Sindarov, pawn h5 strongest move without pressure here. So it means stopping by pawns h6 by Sindarov. So no more by pawn h6 without controls here by white pieces by Wei. And also rook e2 by Wei without upcoming by battery. Without upcoming by this one the battery by without double rooks here or battery here. And also rook f7 by Sindarov, battery without upcoming battery here. And also battery rook ae1 by Wei, and also bishop d6 without threats the knights or pressure, and also bishop d2 without controls. So it means so if you capture this one, so without pressures here, if you backwards here, so it means So next, by capture this pawn, if you captured, so these are the sentiments, the continuations here. So it means if you capture this one, so it means captured, so these are the next move by targets here. So these are the sentiments, the without attacks, the counters attacks. Battery, rook d f8 by Sindaro. And also bishop c3 by Wei. Oh, without strong move by push by semi-close d4. So it means dangerous by whites here. Pushes by Sindaro. Very strong move. So perfect shot by strong move by Sindaro. Sindaro here without attacks, without counters by bishops here, without threats here. And also decided Wei is bishop d2 go backs. Oh, without idea, without move by c3, without threats the pawns here, or counters by sentiments, by pressure by this one. c5, very solid move by Sindarov, or without pushes here, and also b3. Ah, wait, I forgot something. So it means without c5 by Sindarov, without opening, without queens, without threats the pawns here. Without threats the pawns by attacks, by counters attacks, and defense by Wei is b3. Without defense by develops the pawns here. Pawn a6 without next by this one by counters. If you move by b5 here, if you pawns by b5 by black pieces, so if you captured, so it means a very damageful here. So it means opening the dangerous by these white pieces. So why? Because if you capture this one, captured, so it means these are the sentiments by this one, very opening by white pieces, very dangerous by whites here. So let's continue. a6 by Sindaro. Knight f1 without controls here. So it means without move by this one by g4. Strong move here. So it next move by g4. And also queen e8 by Sindaro. Rook a1 without controls here. So if you move side here, if you pawn to b5, if you captured, so it means these are the continuations, the rooks here. So cannot move by this one by this one, or maybe move here. So it means without move side by rook a6 here, or very dangerous here by blacks here, or without attacks the bishop here, or controls by continuations here. So these are the sentiments here by this one. So do not move by this one b5, captured eating. So it means do not captured, avoid by this one. So need more discipline the chess here. So let's continue. Rook a1 by Wei, and also rook e7 by Sindaro. Knight g3, good move by Wei. So very controls by defense the pawns here. And also queen c8 by Sindaro. Again, knight f1, go back. So it will not go back here. So it will not go back, or next by g4. So how do you move by g4 by controls here? Pawn b5 by Sindaro, very strongest move. So it means if you capture this one, so it means capture. So these are the move by rook a6. So very dangerous without threats the bishop. So it means dangerous by blacks here. So blacks is dangerous. Knight h2, or next by counters by g4. Without defense the knight, so it means g4 by moves here, by counters by this move here. Without strong move by Wei. And also c4, strong move here. So without Sindaro, without attacks the pawns, or rook c binds without controls by this one. And also captured. So without captured here, so it means if you capture this one, so it means without queens, without attacks the pawns. So very dangerous by whites here. And also knight g4. So it means without knight g4 by this one by Wei, without counters attacks the knight. So it means that's not one of this computer by Wei. So it means so the one's computer g4 pawns. So g4 is a strong move by this one. So it means best shot here. So it means so these are the slightly advantage by perfect whites here. So back there, knight g4 by Wei, counters attacks the knights. Oh my god, c3, strongest move by perfect by Sindaro, without threats the bishops here. And also decided knight captured without check. Rook captured. and also bishop backwards e1. So need more backwards by this way, bishop e1. So cannot counters attacks this, attacks the bishop. So this need more backwards by bishop. And rook f7. So without rook pairs here or 7th rank. And also f3 or next by g4. Without g4 by counters push here. And also rook a7 without rook to rook. And ignorance rook d1. So it means, so for example, so do not captured by rook captured. If your rook takes a7 and also rook takes a7, so without opening, without move by rook a1, is very dangerous by whites here. If you threats the bishop without queens, without kings here, so it means very dangerous from whites because these are the openings here. So do not captured by rook takes captured. So need more way ignorance by rook d1. So need more ignorance by this moving by rook here. And also rook a2 without move side, very strong risk by Sindarov. Or next move by this one by rook to b7 without next by rook b2. So very dangerous without attacks, the pressure by disturbance the pawns here. And also bishop h4 by Wei and also rook b7. Good move by Sindarov. Or next by this one, rook b2. So very dangerous without attacks, the pawns, without threats, counters attacks here. And also, decided queen g4 by Wei here. Or next, what's the plans by Wei? Or without counters attacks by this one, bishop f6 without moving by attacks the pawns. So cannot move, cannot attacks the bishop without queens, without checks here. So it means without move by checks, if so it means so next by this one by move by queen to g6 without this one by next move from these determinations. And also queen e8 without no more by queen g6 without queen to queen. So it means so without queens, so if you move by this one by queen to g6 without queen to queen, if you attacks the queen accepted, pawn takes, so it means these are the kings cannot move by this one, counters the kings by rook take active because these are the pawns by pressures the solid move. So let's continue. Queen a8 by Sindarov, king h2, king must be active. Queen f7. So queen f7 here. So I'm sorry, got not proper my voices because my headaches too very confused. So queen f7 by Sindarov, pawn g3 by Wei with the strongest, or maybe move by counters by this one by f4, the next counters. And also rook bb2 without doubles, so without double second rank attacks the pawns about Sindarov. Very perfect shot by Sindarov, so without focusing by concentrations. And also defense, good move by Wei, rook c1 without defense. And also king h7 proc active move by Sindarov, king g2, king must be active, rook b8 without controls by determinations here. And also rook f1 and also rook b7. So rook b7 here, I'm sorry, got wrong notes, so very confused. So rook b7, so it means so cannot accept by evaluation bar this computer engine here. So the one's computer engine, rook b2 doubles. So without go back here, need go backs by continuations here. So slightly better from computer engine. So back there, rook b7 by Sindarov, f4 strong move. So if you capture this one without rooks, without attacks the queens here. So continuations here, and also good move captured. And also e5 without threats the bishop c5, rook captured without threats the disturbance by eliminates the queens here. And also ignorance, queen e8 by Sindarov, battery, rook ef2, or maybe without plans by Wei, or not yet move because the target's by bishop. I'm sorry, I got wrong by this mouse leap here. So rook ef2, so no more move by next maneuver here. And also rook a1 by Sindaro, very strongest perfect. Or next by maneuver targets rook b1 without threats that g1 without check or kings, very dangerous from white's pieces here. And also queen f3, triple battery by Wei. Rook bb1, very strong perfect by Sindaro. So without rook b1, rook bb1 without threats by g1 without check or without attacks the king's check here. Queen e4 check, good move, because the queen without threats that move by queen e4 without threats attacks the check here. And good move queen e4 by Wei here. And also king g8 by Sindaro, pawn g4. What happened by Wei? So it means these are the very below evaluation bar. So it means blunder ratios by Wei. So the best move, the currency move is queen to g6 without queen to queen. So if you queen takes accepted by here and also pawn captured without cannot move by kings, cannot move by king h7 or king f7 because these are the pawns. So it means without rooks, without upcoming by mating net. Not yet by mating nets here. so no more by rook f8 because the bishop targets here. So without, I'm sorry, got wrong confused. So slightly better from whites here. Good slightly advantage. Without continuations here. So back there is g4 by blunders by Wei and also rook h1. So rook h1 by Sindaro without threats the bishop. Counters attacks the bishops here. And also king g3 without defense the bishop. And also rook a1 without targets that threats the queens here. So in accept, why don't we move rook g1 check here, rook h1 check, and also king to f3. See, king f3 here, so it means without targets here, so it means, so these are the examples. So back there is rook ae1 without threats the queens, and also good move without rook to rook, in accept rook takes, queen takes, and also bishop e7 without bishop to bishop, and Wei bishop takes accepted, queen takes. So these are the how many pawns by 5 connected, same 5 connected pass pawns here. And also rook capture d4. So not about bad move. It is not about bad move but also blunder ratios. Another blunder ratios by Wei. So these are the lowest evaluation bar. So what happened to Wei here? So the best moves there, this one is king to g2. Is a right move by this one by OneSoft Computer. And decided by queen h4. Very strong move by Sindarov here. Or maybe next move by this one without sacrifice, rook f8 without check, without perpetual check here. So these are the slightly betters here by this one advantage. So back there is rook capture, lowest evaluation bar, blunder ratios. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the excellent move by perfect shot by Grandmaster Javoskir Sindarov by Uzbekistan? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the perfect move, queen h4. Perfect shot by excellent by Sindaro. So it means so very strong move. So these are the highest evaluation bar. So highest average here without queen h4 without check. Good move. And Wei king f4 by Wei here. And also rook e1 without threats the queens, because these are the queens without defense, because the rook, without rook e1, without threats the queens here. And also decided way is queen g2, and another excellent move is queen g5 check. What a perfect shot by Sindaro. So very perfect shot here. And also king g3, and the last by finishing move queen e3 check, without queen without check. So it means rook drops, resigned by Wei. So why he resigns? For example, so if you move by this one, king h2, only move by Wei, and also queen rooks. One rook down by white pieces by Wei. So it means game over. So it means so very poor by Wei from these white pieces. So the score by finals, this one by Wei 1.5, and the score by Javoskir Sindaro 2.5. So it means, so congratulations from this one by this FIDE World Cup 2025. So let's see these final results here. So let's see about this one by final standing. So the winner 2.5 score by Grandmaster Javoskir Sindarov, and 1.5 by Grandmaster Wei. So the battle of third with 2 points by Andrei Espenko, and 0 points by Grandmaster Norderbek Yakubue. So the third place by bronze medal Grandmaster Andrei Esipenko here, and the silver medals by second placer by Grandmaster Wei, and the gold medals by Grandmaster Javoskir Sindaro. Congratulations of these top 3 from this FIDE World Cup 2025. So the winner from this crowd by championship by FIDE World Cup GOA or Goa 2025, Grandmaster Uzbekistan Javoskir Sindaro. Congratulations from this one from the championship crowds here. Okay, so the next of this analyze within Super Pog Champs here. Without these are the play chess here. So it means I will choose up these games here within to analyze here. So it means I will analyze here by created by analyze. So it means between from this Canada versus Japan, without Andrea Botes versus Masioka. So it means I will analyze of this soon. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka I Cool Mark 17. Have a good day. Keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.